I'll be showing the new Microsoft Teams Premium offering. This includes meeting recap using AI, advanced meeting security, real-time translation of captions in over 40 languages, advanced webinar capabilities, and a whole lot more. So let's get started. The first Teams Premium feature is Intelligent Recap, which uses AI. So I'm going to launch a Teams meeting here. Here we are in our Teams meeting, and we're going to show the new Teams Premium Recap feature. I have got 4 incredible actors. They broke the Hollywood strike line. They are scabs. That's how committed they are to their craft. And they're going to show a scene that exposes how exactly Teams Premium works with automatic recap. So I'm going to be going off screen, and they're going to take direction on their own. Okay, are you ready, folks? Here we go. And action.
Hey team, so excited to see you all today and very excited to kick this off.
Thanks, Adam. I just am a little bit worried, just to say it right off the bat, about the launch date. I don't think the next-gen TPS report is ready yet. I really think we should delay the launch by at least a month to give us more time to polish it up.
But George, we've been planning this launch for months. Delaying the launch would only give Intech's top competitor time to catch up.
You know what? I would love to get Mike's point of view on this topic. We really need his perspective here as a member of our leadership team.
Now we're going to speed things up, and there's lots of discussion happen back and forth and different topics. I had missed that meeting, but we're going to see how I can use meeting recap to get caught up. And scene! Now the meeting is ended, and I'm signed in as Mike, and I want to go see what the meeting recap was. Right here on the left in my chat, I'm going to go look at that meeting. You're going to see this new option for Teams Premium, which is recap up at the top. I'll click this. What you see here is the recap of the entire meeting. On the right, you see things like content that was part of the meeting. You see AI notes, and we'll dig into that, mentions and transcript. There's the video itself, and then we've highlighted each of the speakers and when they're talking during the meeting. So first, what I'm going to do is take a look at the AI notes. It's like Kauthar, Adam, Jess, and George. They discussed the launch date of the product. They need to delay it by a month and some other details. I can open this up, and there's even more details. We'll collapse that. Also notice it has suggested tasks. Kauthar and the team will schedule a meeting with Mike. That's me. Fantastic. If I want to go to @mentions, it'll show when Mike was mentioned. Jess mentioned me right here, wants to get Mike's point of view. Hey, let's schedule another meeting with Mike. AI automatically detected that and put it in there. I can also go and jump around the meeting. So maybe I want to see what Kauthar was talking about here in the blue. I'll click there. And now I'll hit play.
We really need to launch while there's still relevance and anticipation.
Great, so I can understand what Kauthar's talking about. We'll jump to Adam. Hit play.
Well, I guess if we delay the launch, I can start working on updating.
Okay, he's talking about delaying the launch. It's really easy to jump across that timeline and see exactly what people were saying. The last thing I'll show is the transcript. If I click here, I can get the entire transcript right here. Everything that everyone was saying is labeled. I can download the entire transcript. And then if I'm going here and I'm watching part of the video, let's say I jump to Jess right here. I'll hit play.
It's important that we're all on the same page and that we're making informed decisions based on all the factors at play.
You can see on
Thanks,
the right,
George, for bringing up the budget concerns.
It's highlighting
sure we're keeping
the parts of the video that Jess is talking about in that transcript so I can follow along exactly. The second new feature is custom branding for your Teams meetings. Now the IT admin has to set this up, but in this case, you're gonna see at our organization, we've set up a nice Xbox green brand. Note that you can also custom configure organizational backgrounds and together mode scenes, but I'm just gonna show the basic branding to start here. So I will click join here. And look at that, it's a beautiful Xbox green theme. You have some halo going on, you have a little Xbox logo and some nice green. I'm here in my meeting now, and there's also a subtle theme here. I've got the nice green when I hover on the buttons. Maybe I want to open up the pane and look at effects and avatars. You'll see also just this nice little green theme has been applied everywhere. So your IT admin can deploy this across your company, and you can have your company colors, lots of team spirit. The third Teams Premium feature is language translation when captioning, and that is for anyone attending the meeting. They can choose their own language to caption. Let's say I'm in a meeting with lots of other folks speaking different languages than English. I'll go to the 3-dot menu, and I'm gonna hit language and speech, and I will choose to turn on live captions. It will ask me what language is everyone speaking. In this case, I'm gonna choose English, and I'll hit confirm. Now along the bottom, this will start captioning, and this has already existed. The new part though is, let's say that I'm attending this meeting and I speak a different language. I will hit settings in the lower right, and I'm going to choose caption language to one of these many different language choices here. Maybe I'll choose Finnish. Now when I'm talking in English, you will see right here at the bottom, everything is captioned in Finnish. Now let's say that I want to change this to Arabic, which is a right to left language. I will choose caption language and I will choose Arabic. Now when I'm talking at the bottom, you'll see that Arabic is being translated and it's going from right to left. So this is a fantastic and inclusive feature. It's great for global schools, global countries, and it can help make sure everyone is understanding what's being spoken. And this supports over 40 languages in Teams Premium, with more languages coming soon. The fourth Teams Premium feature are advanced webinar capabilities. For example, when you set up a Teams webinar, which has been radically revamped recently, now you can do things like require manual registration approval, enabling a wait list, and even limiting the registration start and end time. You can also easily approve or reject individual people who sign up for your webinars, like you see here. Another update is when you start the webinars, you get a green room. Pretty cool Hollywood style, so organizers and co-presenters can hang out in the green room, have a chat, drink some water, eat food before everything starts. But then when you start the meeting, you can now have control over when presenters are shown or not. So Danielle is on screen here, and you can see Charlotte is off in the green room. Now, if you want to push Charlotte onto the screen, it's very easy to do, kind of similar to Teams live events. Now both Charlotte and Daniela are on the webinar screen. So really easy to manage everything through that green room. The fifth Teams Premium feature are advanced virtual appointment capabilities, and that lets you better manage the end-to-end appointment experience. Virtual appointments already exist and let employees easily schedule with customers for these virtual appointments. The first update here is that external attendees can get text reminders and custom branded virtual appointments through their mobile devices, like you see on the screen here. Customers get the SMS notification and they can easily join that virtual appointment through the browser on mobile. Next up is flexible scheduling and streamlined appointment management to let scheduling administrators set up and manage these on-demand virtual appointments in one location. And this includes appointment queuing and custom wait rooms. And lastly, the Teams Virtual Appointments Usage Report. And that gives admins rich analytics and an overview of all the Teams virtual appointments across your organization. And you get key metrics in this report, such as total number of appointments, appointment duration, lobby wait time, and no-shows for appointments. So all these are part of our advanced virtual appointment updates in Teams Premium. The sixth new feature is advanced meeting security. And I'm just going to show a piece of this and then show a couple of other examples of screenshots. I'll go to new meeting right here and I will choose schedule meeting. Now you're going to see this sensitivity label right here. I'm going to drop this down and I'm going to make it highly confidential. Now what I can do is click meeting options and you're going to see all these different sensitivity labels that my IT admin has set up. So things like who can present down here, who can record, it has end-to-end encryption, so it's super safe, applying watermarks to shared content, even applying a watermark to everyone's feed. For example, this is a top secret meeting. What it also will do later on is make sure people can't copy out of the chat, and there are many different configurations. There's a link in the description where your IT admin can dig deep. Here's an example in the meeting where you can go and see what meeting sensitivity looks like in the upper left, the type of encryption. And here's an example where the policy disables you to copy the meeting chat. If you want to keep up with all the latest Microsoft updates and tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get all the latest videos that I post.